Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a tutorial for this really vibrant purple smoky eye, which I tried out using very few products. I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get started. I started by prepping my skin with the MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Pink Light. I really like this because this not only moisturizes the skin, but it also gives a very beautiful and natural looking radiance. I've also done a video in the different ways you can use strobe cream. I'm going to link that below. Next, I'm going to use this liquid lipstick by Smashbox, and I'm using this as a base for my eyeshadow. This has just this beautiful rich purple color that I wanted, and it's very pigmented, so it's actually going to give me a really nice rich base for the eyeshadow to go on. Next, I'm going to go in with this powder eyeshadow from KIKO. I picked this up from their store at the DLF Mall of India in Noida when I was in Delhi last week, and I'm using this all over the lid as well as in the crease, just blending it out with a fluffy brush. Now coming back to the skin, I'm using the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, which is one of my favorites. It gives about medium coverage and just a very natural skin-like finish, which I love. I'm using a little bit extra in my under eye area. Then next I'm using this Just Smoky Kajal by Colorbar, and this is the shade Just Blue, and it's a really nice smoky dark blue shade, and I thought it would be interesting to do like a blue on the waterline instead of a black or a purple, and I really like how it worked with the purple on the lid. And then for smoking it out, I'm once again using that same purple eyeshadow I used on the lid, which was from KIKO. Then for my eyebrows, I'm using the Brow Gel by Benefit. I use the shade 04, and I love how pigmented and long lasting this is. Now for concealer, I'm using the Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer, and I use the shade Toasted Almond. This is a really nice long stay high coverage concealer, and if you're looking for something for the summers which is going to stay for a while and also give you really good coverage, this is the one to go for. Then for the cheeks and the lips, I used the new Nykaa Molten Matte Lip and Cheek Mousse, and I've used the shade Blair, which is a really nice sort of natural pink for my medium skin tone, and this gives about medium coverage. It's not like a liquid lipstick, it's more of a mousse which gives you buildable coverage. So I've used this on the lips as well as the cheeks. And whenever I'm working with purple or blue, I prefer to keep my lips and the cheeks in a soft nude pink shade. I find that the cool tones just tie in together nicely. Then to complete the eyes, I'm using some mascara. I've got the Sephora Outrageous Oversized Lashes, which I'm loving currently. And I'm also going to use a pair of false eyelashes later just to give a slightly more dramatic look. To add a little bit of dimension, I'm using this bronzer by Wet n Wild, and I'm using this to add some warmth as well as to slightly contour my cheekbones as well as my jawline. And then to highlight, I used this rose gold highlighter from Maybelline, and I was blown away by how metallic and high shine this was. And because this has got a rosy cool toned hue, it worked nicely with the pink blush and the pink lip. And I also used this to highlight my brow bone as well as the inner corner of my eyes. And this is how the makeup looks without any false lashes, and I decided to add a pair of false lashes. These are the PAC lashes, and I'm using the Usher lash glue for this. And that is the final finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to mention all the products and add the links to buy them online in the description box. And that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.